Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome for another video edition of the Artelino Company. What's the Artelino Company? We're a small family company located in southern Germany, to be more precise, in the state of Bavaria, Munich, Oktoberfest. And the Alps are near, lovely area. We are in a rural area of Bavaria. And we've sold since 2001 mainly Japanese prints, more recently also many contemporary prints consigned directly by the artists in weekly online auctions. And in this video I want to present a new artist, ladies and gentlemen. Her name is Linda Beeman. Unfortunately I don't have a photo of her, but afterwards I can show you a video production made by herself on YouTube. And before I continue my talking, we now show you 6 wonderful, lovely Moku Hanga prints made by Linda Beeman. Linda Beeman is basically a self-taught artist. She learned the technique that she applies in a workshop in the year 2008. And this technique is called Moku Hanga. Well, these are 2 Japanese words. I will explain that a little bit more in detail afterwards. And Linda is from the state of Michigan, where you have the Great Lakes, and the subjects she applies are practically all from her direct environment. She lives in the countryside. The Great Lakes are not far away from her home. And as you may have seen from the images that we just showed you from her prints, well, her style is quiet. She prefers calm images, subtle colors. There is nothing gaudy, nothing that jumps into your face. And the subjects are from her own direct environment. Now, Moku Hanga, what is that? Well, Moku Hanga is the old traditional Japanese technique of making woodblock prints, woodblock print images. But there's one difference. Japanese artists in the 19th century, they made more or less only the design. And there were specialized artisans, the carver and the printer, who did this job. So an artist like Hokusai or Hiroshige seldomly carved the block, seldomly printed. This was done by artisans. Today's Moku Hanga artists, they do everything themselves. I mean, first of all, it's a commercial aspect. A contemporary artist can hardly afford to employ artisans. And secondly, well, these artisans who are specialized in doing this, there are still a few in Japan, yeah, but in the USA or in Europe, you will hardly find artisans specialized in carving woodblock prints and in printing Moku Hanga. So the artists do it all themselves. And Moku Hanga is an international movement. You find these artists in the US, in Europe, in Australia, and of course many in Japan. Linda Beeman works in an environmentally friendly way. That's very important for her, and therefore she uses non-toxic water-based inks. And I'll show you where you can find 2 videos made directly by Linda, where she demonstrates her technique. Well, first of all, you can go to YouTube, type in Linda Beeman, and there you find 2 videos by her, or you go to artelino.com into our educational section, and there are 2 articles. There you find an article, here we have it, about Linda Beeman, and her 2 videos also integrated. Linda consigned overall, I think, 6 prints to our auctions. That's kind of test consignment when an artist begins for the first time, and they have to send these prints directly to us. We photograph them, we describe them, then we usually make a small test consignment. And these prints are offered in, 2 are offered in the current auction, and the others will be offered in the coming auction. And if we sell her prints well, we will certainly get more prints by Linda Beeman consigned directly in close cooperation with the Artelino company. So give Linda a friendly welcome, and by friendly welcome I do not just mean that you say, "Hello Linda." No, bid on her prints and buy them. That's a friendly welcome. Got it? Wonderful. You got the message. Well, enough for today. Take a look at our auction catalog and have a good week. And I hope to see you for our next video. Goodbye.